In 2026, I feel like it's going to be a year where things really take off and a lot more money will be generated by those who have never really made much money online in their life. And there's many reasons behind this. Not only are people catching on to certain trends, but there's many more tools that you have access to that you may not have had access to over the past couple years. I mean, let's take automation, for example. There are so many different tools that will help you automate the process when it comes to automating on Instagram, automating on Facebook, and even tools that will help you automate the sales process. I created a tool. It's a tool to help you sell digital products called PDF Panda. If you go to pdfpanda.me, you will see this very powerful tool. So because we all got access to many more AI tools now, I just know for a fact that things are going to really skyrocket and things are going to get way easier for digital product sellers to make $10,000, $15,000 a month. And again, I'm just seeing it all over the place. If you are somebody that want to start selling digital products, you just have to ask yourself, what type of digital product do you want to sell? I've personally made $50,000 plus selling almost every type of digital product you could sell. That's ebooks, that's planners, that's printable wall art, that's printable stickers, journals. I've really sold it all. Another amazing digital product to start selling, just to throw some ideas out there, are website templates. And now website templates, you can sell like Squarespace, Wix templates. You can sell these for $300 to $500 a pop. So one thing that I would personally do in 2026 to start making, let's say $5,000 a month within 45 to 60 days is, if I was selling website templates, I would sell templates, let's say for $250 per template. Now this same template can be sold over and over and over again. So I would only need 8 template sales to make $2,000 a month. And let's say 16 template sales to make $4,000 every single month. Now, what I would personally do is I would personally create a niche targeted Instagram account and start putting out 2 to 3 Instagram reels every single day. Now, these Instagram reels that I would put out are going to be reels that around the topic of the templates. So if I was selling makeup and beauty templates, I would put out Instagram reels focusing on the makeup and beauty space to organically grow my following and attract an audience. Now, a lot of people don't like to put in the work when it comes to this. And I'll tell you right now, the most valuable audience you can gain is an organic audience, because these people chose to follow you versus forcing people to follow you with paid ads. Now, even though paid ads work, whenever you are growing your audience organically, a lot of money can be made because these people are showing deep interest in organically following you versus you interrupting their timeline with an ad. So what I would personally do, once again, if I wanted to hurry up and get to $4,000 to $5,000 a month and beyond, I would sell something like website templates or something that I can put a $100 to $500 price tag on and grow an organic audience like on Instagram, attract those people in and sell them a template within a space that they are already interested in. That's what I would personally do in 2026 to go ahead and get to that $4,000 to $5,000 a month mark. Now, I'm telling you this because not only do I do this with other things, but I've also tested this time and time again in multiple niches. I've done this selling stickers, I've done this selling ebooks, I've done this selling printable wall art, and it simply works. So if you are somebody that want to start selling digital products in 2026, you just got to ask yourself once again, what type of product do I want to sell? And am I willing to put in the work on Instagram? Now, if you want to go to Instagram Reels route, I have an Instagram template pack, and this template pack is going to give you access to 43,000 Instagram Reels templates in different niche topics. Now, you can access the templates in the description, or you can go to like Canva and create templates on your own. So you don't have to purchase them, like not even from me or anyone else. You can go to Canva and create them. But if you want the shortcut, of course, you will gain access to the 43,000 Instagram Reels templates that I have in the description of this video. But overall, organic content plus digital products is going to be a very powerful strategy to take in 2026 if you want to hit the ground running in selling digital products. And one thing's for certain, to tie all of this together, you want to add in automation, and automation using a tool like ManyChat. ManyChat is a tool that's going to automate everything for you. So if you're ever on Instagram and you see people say comment the word and it's a keyword, and after a person places the comment, they get an auto reply to that comment. And after they get the auto reply, they get an auto DM. That's from a tool called ManyChat, and it is extremely powerful. I've personally made $20,000 a month selling one product using only ManyChat automation. So this is extremely powerful for selling digital products. You can create a YouTube channel and a TikTok account and all of that in 2026 and make a killing as well. But this method right here that I'm talking about is completely next level. So you're putting out Instagram Reels, focus on one topic. You're linking that to one digital product for sale. It can be a website template, it can be an ebook, a digital planner, or whatever it may be, whatever you want to choose. And you're using ManyChat automation. So when those organic followers come in, and as soon as they follow you, you automatically send them a message, or as soon as they comment, you automatically reply to that comment and send them a message that includes your offer. And a lot of people don't want to do that. But as soon as you do that, you'll start having people purchase that offer nonstop. So you got the Reels bringing in organic followers, you got the automation that links to your offer, and before you know it, you're at $4,000 to $5,000 a month selling digital products, and the sky's truly the limit, because this exact strategy, not only am I using it every single day, but I see other people using it as well and making $10,000 all the way up to $100,000 every single month. So what you'll want to do right now is go ahead and implement this strategy, put it into action right now, and come back to this video later and let me know how it works out for you. Digital products are next level. If you are somebody that want to start selling digital products and you want to really start selling them and learn how to tie in AI and all of that, click the link in the description of this video and go ahead and join Belcher Labs. This is my private digital laboratory where I'm cooking up all of these strategies right here and teaching you everything you need to know about selling digital products.